Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button for weekly automotive and family content. Hey!
Hey!
What do you got going on, Mrs. Ray and Beast?
I'm putting Christmas away.
We're out at Chester County Transmissions with Tim, and there's his Beast. It's moving on its own, Tim. That is a good sign.
Well, it moved on its own before, just didn't like to take gear.
It just barely made it here, right? What was your top speed?
I hit 62 coming out 30, and it was screaming the entire time.
I remember I used to have to get it up high enough to get it past where you shift, and then once you got up in the a higher speed, you were fine. But it was just getting to that point.
Mine wouldn't even hold the gear.
No.
Yeah.
Well, at the end, mine wouldn't either. I was fourth gear only.
You were throwing a different code than what I was doing.
I was throwing several codes.
I only threw one.
How goes it? Feels good?
Looking great.
Yeah?
It was like nothing less than half throttle.
I'm running HPP tunes through E.Lincoln. I have that actually set up on one of my old phones. And then also on my own personal cell phone. Flow Pro 5-inch. I did the 30-inch FTE resonator, S&B cold air intake, and then all the other basics.
So what tune you in now?
It should just be on the stock one.
Oh, we need to switch that to tune 5. You started?
Not yet.
No, okay. All right. Tune 3's good. This truck's gonna like tune 3 now with your transmission overhauled with that Sonic's clutch drum. You're gonna be happy with it, and it's gonna hold the power.
Yeah,
it's gonna hold the power. For where you're at now, you could get away with running tune 5 if you had studs. I mean, you still could. You still could do it.
I was just gonna say, there you start to flirt with danger with the head gasket.
So awesome that you came out here to Chester County Transmission because of my video. That's great. Well, you know you're in good hands. Andy treated you well through the whole process. You brought your truck down here when?
Tuesday.
Tuesday, and here it is Friday, and you're getting
I dropped it off Tuesday morning. By Thursday evening, everything was ready to go back in. And here we are Friday afternoon, and truck's done. And
it's awesome, man.
Getting ready to go.
So it's that time of year, guys. So Andy's opening a Christmas present from the Snap-on guy, but you have to use a screwdriver to get it open.
But the cool thing was the present came like this with said screwdriver, which I think is implies inherent danger. You know, so there's no.
I'm thinking there's a glitter bomb in there. So I'm gonna
this could
go
be really funny. Yeah. Stand back. Stand back. Not nearly as exciting.
Oh wow.
Coasters, pint glasses, wrench bottle opener, deck of playing cards, dice set, and a screwdriver.
All right, we can use some of them right now.
Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't too exciting, but it's still very nice. I like the setup there.
How about it? It's Christmas.
What are you doing?
Merry Thanksgiving to you. Merry Thanksgiving to you.
Same to you. What's
Happy
up?
Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Andy's trying to talk me into staying.
I'll take the beef.
It'll be a vlog without Pete. We got Pete back.
This is my special shirt. See the sparkly flakes?
A little bit, yeah, I do actually.
Actually, you talk about some merch. You know, Pete actually just got some new merch today.
Did you?
Chester County Trans merch.
Oh.
This is pieces of differential.
Oh man.
Oh wow.
I cleaned it 3 times.
No shit.
And it's still spitting pieces out.
We still need to do the diff service on this thing again.
We do.
Yeah.
We do have to do it.
We're slacking. We're slackers.
What is our next project?
Well, we'll get to it next
Diff
year.
service.
Yeah.
Diff service, maybe brake upgrade. I got a brake update grade we got planned, so.
Okay.
I promise I'll get to it by next year.
Yeah, me too. I'm done for the year.
Yeah.
I'm officially done.
Somebody is inquiring about you guys doing transmissions to
Yeah, we're getting, dude, a Mustang. I'm getting inundated with information and requests
You know,
for
it's
you
funny.
guys.
So Rich and I were even talking about that. Hey, like, so maybe we should shoot some videos, like try to isolate some other niches. Like, I just don't want to shoot a video of doing like a Chevy 1500 Trans 4L60 because there's not really following behind that. But you know, Mustang performance upgrades. What's the Ford diesels? You know, there's a 5R110, 4R100. You know, what are these guys doing? You know, so yeah.
I want to see more Rams here though.
Yeah.
Bring 'ems. Because it's a big problem. You're going to have a ton of them coming through here. I'm telling you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Tim.
Hey, Tim.
Nice meeting you. We're still putting Christmas away.
Yes.
But I just want to let you guys know, well, we got a package in the mail. We got a package in the mail from the 110 Club. This club's affiliated with Main Event Emblems. As you know, I have their emblems on the Beast. You guys question me all the time, who did your badge for the front of your back of your truck? Well, that's Main Event Emblems. And they are a part of this 110 Club where you can get a monthly subscription to get this nice little package in the mail every month. What do you think about that?
I love subscription boxes.
But this is an automotive subscription box.
Oh.
So when you subscribe, guys, I'll have the information in the description below. Always important stuff in the description below. When you sign up for this, they actually will send you like an application or a format you got to fill out, and it's going to have all kinds of information about you, about your vehicle, what have you, and then you're going to get this box every month based on what you enter in that application, and it's going to have stuff related to
Your preferences.
your preferences. Yeah, there you go, babe.
That's my big word.
Yeah, yeah. The lighting in here is horrible. Would you like to help?
Sure.
Would you like to open the box and then we'll go through it?
Okay, yep. Hold on, you know that my OCD, I started this, I have to finish it.
I mean, I started that the other day.
I know, I'm very lucky and happy, excited. Okay.
All right.
Did you take the tape off at least for me? Because you know that takes me 20 years.
Yes, I took the tape off for you.
Still takes me 20 minutes and the tape's off.
All right, this is what we got going on, guys.
Well, I'm digging this. A lot.
The wife's gonna get some use out of that one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Sweet.
Don't you have one already?
I have a couple.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe that one should be mine.
We'll see.
And we could always use Cozy, especially when we're on the beach, Assateague Island.
Yeah.
We're always using Cozy. I actually keep these in my truck just for that reason.
See.
Like I was telling you guys, Main Event. Need some emblems, custom emblems for your truck, car, whatever. They got you covered.
110 Club sticker.
Oh, okay. All right. Dirty Diesel Customs. Cool.
Boostbars.com.
I actually reached out to these guys a long time ago. We were sort of talking back and forth about doing a grill for the Beast, and it sort of faded. So maybe I should, this is a sign, I should follow up with them for the grill.
That's pretty. Good job. We got some Armor All original.
Okay. Yeah, original
protector.
Armor All.
Oh, another 110. I kind of like that one.
We're gonna put it on your car.
30% off coupon, Twisted Pro.
Okay.
I kind of like these. First Warrior, you get a 15% off.
And see, there's where it goes. Like when I filled out the application, I told them I was a first responder and law enforcement. And see, that's why you're getting some of these, you know, special discount codes, something related to
Your preferences.
your preferences and what you like. Oh, that's pretty
That is
cool. Yeah.
We got a Dirty Diesel Customs sticker.
Socket.
A socket.
Let's see what size it is. Oh, it's a 10 millimeter because you're always losing that 10 millimeter socket.
Is that the popular one?
Yeah, you're always losing this. So now you can put this on your keychain.
Ah. Ripcord.
Okay, a little bracelet action. Oh, wife hurt herself.
I think I have a splinter.
Oh.
I might need you to operate later.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Is that like a tow hook?
Yes, yeah, exactly what that is. Another decal.
Ram Beast Projects.
Oh, pretty cool. I like it. See? That's pretty neat. And I did put that in there because they asked you for your, I guess, social media information as
That's
well.
so cool. Oh, I like the color of this.
There you go. Main Event.
Main Event.
All right. Check this club out if you're interested in it. I think it's pretty neat. And I'm sure there's different levels of packages that you can get based on the money that you want to put in for each month. So yeah, very cool, very cool. Thank you guys. Thank you for sending this to us. If you guys are interested in sending us anything that you would like featured in a video or at the end of a video, our PO information is always in the video descriptions. It's PO Box 270, Wagontown, Pennsylvania, zip code 19376. We check it on a weekly basis because we're always sending out merch like 1 to 2 times a week. We're shipping stuff out, so we do check the PO box. All right, so now for some really exciting news, and this says a lot about this company, Lux Lighting Systems. I know this video is all about companies right now and different things, but trust me, this is going to benefit you guys. So the owner, John Fay from Lux Lighting Systems, which is here in the United States of America, they make the magnetic LED pods that I have throughout the underneath of my truck. Well, they now have RGB Max LED pods that you can control through your cell phone, smartphone device. Yeah, I know, it's not a new concept, but trust me guys, with the magnetic feature, you don't have to drill holes in the bottom of your truck or anything like that. It sticks to the bottom of your truck and you run your wiring. So he was getting a lot of sales, basically, going from a couple of my videos. So he reached out to me and he's like, hey, I'm gonna offer you this amount of credit. So I said, outstanding, that's great. I didn't reach out to him. I paid for my stuff, but he just researched and he was making sales, and this says a lot about him. He reached out to me and he offered me to give me some credit for his store to spend. So this is what I decided to do. With the new RGB kit, this is it's a little over $500 for 8 pods, and then you get the controller. So I wanted 2 of them. One's gonna replace what I have on the bottom side of my truck right now, and then the other one we're gonna give away when we hit 10,000 subscribers. 10,000. So this kit is gonna go to one of you guys. This kit's gonna go into Beast when we're back out at 10-8 emergency vehicle services in a few weeks. So thank you, John, for hooking us up. And again, all this stuff made right here in the good old USA. Clip from my buddy Mike, aka Monster Ram, who has a YouTube channel, but he really doesn't post a lot of videos. But I asked him, I said, hey, I gotta share this because he inspired me and I'm gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be doing this in 2019. And if you don't remember Mike was actually on the channel, and this is all the stuff about his truck. He actually went through his truck with me on the channel when he was out here in Pennsylvania.
This is a Fleece 2nd Gen swap kit. However, I didn't use the S400 series turbo. I went with the S369 SXE model, the new lineup, kind of relatively new from Borg-Warner. Smaller turbo frame, but this turbo supports up to 1,000 horsepower. That's not going to be my goal, probably around 700 at some point. But we're still on stock fuel, so just took a couple modifications to make this work. There's the intercooler pipe that just had to have a little flange adapted onto there, and then a different downpipe. But other than that, this is essentially a Fleece 2nd Gen performance kit with the Steed speed. And then on the other side of it, there's the Banks Monster Ram. Probably gonna put methanol injection in there at some point, keep the EGTs cooler. Inside she's got ARP 625s, got Hamilton 103-pound valve springs, got the heavy duty push rods.
Now what year's your truck?
14.
It's a 14.
Yep.
And you got your Rev Max transmission.
Full built Rev Max 700.
This is a legit beast, guys.
Same probably lift that you've got. It's the full BDS 4-link 6-inch. It's got the double stabilizers, the double shocks up front, adjustable track bar. In the back I've got a Hellwig. It's kind of like a heavy duty rear sway bar. It's adjustable. Horn blaster train horn.
The wife has approved that mod for me. She has approved that. So
that's a mod that just keeps giving, you know what I mean? Because it's better to have people move out of their way under their own power than the reverse.
That's cool.
And then I got the 3500 dually diff cover on there just for some extra cooling. Didn't seem to have any rubbing issues either, so that was nice. exhaust straight 4-inch all the way back to a 6-inch FTE stack. Now with the 2nd gen swap. Same tuning from Jonathan at Higher Power Performance. Had him the whole time. It's been great. Probably the exact same tune as on yours.
Exactly.
Probably exact, you know.
Babe, see what Mike did? He inspired me to, we're gonna run the truck this year.
What?
The truck is hitting the drag strip this year. It's gonna happen.
Oh my God.
We're gonna see what she does in a quarter mile.
Thanks, Mike. Thanks.
Hopefully we don't break nothing. Hopefully we don't break anything. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I just put a Hershey kiss in my mouth.
Well, you're supposed to be in the video. You're supposed to be in the video. I'll give you a kiss. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't,
You better give it a thumbs up anyway.
if you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash that
Subscribe.
for
Like
for weekly family and automotive content.
Yes.
We appreciate the support, guys. We had a great 2018, and we're looking forward to 2019 for it to even be better.
That's right.
Better and better and better. And
Beastly 2019.
a beastly 2019 and thereon, because we're here for the long run.
Man.
All right, guys, we'll see you on the next upload. Love you.